talk about the atomic size. We are just study here. We have not started the 15 group element. First, we just study the general characteristics of p block element. In that property, we start from atomic size. What is atomic size? What trends are there in atomic size? We know that in a periodic table, when we are moving from left to right, size decreases. Size decreases. When we are moving top to bottom, size increases. Left to right, size decreases. Top to bottom, size increases. Can you give reason behind this? When we talk about we can just compare the boron and aluminium. Okay, we just talk about the size increases top to bottom. 5 is boron and 13 is aluminium. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p1 is the atomic number of boron and aluminium. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6, 3 is 2, 3p1. Okay, this is the atomic electronic configuration of aluminium, and the electronic configuration of boron. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p1. This is the p block. This is the p block. Okay, here we can see that in boron there is a 2s2, 2p1, and in aluminium just behind the boron is 3s2, 3p1. Shell is increased. Due to increase in shell, the sizes obviously will increase. So when we are moving top to bottom, size will increase. But when we talk about the left to right, we are moving, the size decreases. Why size decreases when we are moving left to right? Because in that case, when electron is moving in a same shell, and we talk about just take example boron and carbon. We just take example of boron and carbon. This is boron. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p1. 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p2. Here electron is increasing in a p subshell itself. Okay, no increase in the new shell. Okay, but the number of proton is increased by 1, so there is the effective nuclear charge will increase by 1, and electron is entering in the same shell. So here effective nuclear charge predominant to the valence electron, so the size decreases. Okay, size decreases when we are moving लेफ्ट टू राइट जब जाते हैं तो साइज डिक्रीज होता है, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन सेम शेल में जा रहा है, बट इन कंट्रास्ट जो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इज इंक्रीजिंग इन द न्यूक्लियस बाय 1, so it will attract electron more towards itself, so effective nuclear charge will increase. Due to effective nuclear charge will increase, the size will डिक्रीज. जितना ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीज होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा साइज जो है वो डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. सो इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीजेज विच अट्रैक्ट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन मोर स्ट्रांगली, दैट्स वाई साइज डिक्रीजेज लेफ्ट टू राइट. नाउ टॉक अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. न्यू टर्म इलेक्ट्रो, that is not new for you. What is electronegativity? Can you tell me about the electronegativity? Ability to attract the shear pair of electron towards itself is known as electronegativity. Ability to attract the shear pair of electron towards itself is known as electronegativity. So when we move left to right, what is the trend in electronegativity? We will just study here. Increases left to right, but decreases top to bottom. Okay, तो electronegativity, तो how can we explain it? Increases left to right. जैसे जैसे हम लेफ्ट टू राइट जाएंगे, इट विल इंक्रीज. हाउ इट विल increase? When we move left to right, electronegativity increases because effective nuclear charge increases. But when we move top to bottom, electronegativity decreases because of increase of number of shell. Effective nuclear charge is not so predominant. Here electronegativity increases due to increase of effective nuclear charge. Here electronegativity decreases due to decrease in effective nuclear charge because of increase of number of shell. That's why decrease top to bottom, increase left to right about the electronegativity. See, as we talk about the metallic character. Metallic character we also study here. Metallic character, you know that what is the trend of metallic character? Metallic character, you know, the metal always lose one electron. If the tendency to lose the electron will increase, metallic character will increase. Okay, tendency to lose the electron will increase, then the metallic character increase. You know that when we move from top to bottom, it increases because number of shell increases. That's why top to bottom tendency of losing electron increases because effective nuclear charge decreases. Effective nuclear charge decrease हो जाएगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का निकलना आसान हो जाएगा. तो losing electron is easy. So it's that is the characteristics of metals. So that's why metallic character increases top to bottom. But in the case of left to right, it decreases because effective nuclear charge increases. Effective nuclear charge increases, so it is very difficult to lose one electron. So here we can say non-metallic character increases. Non-metallic character increases when we are moving left to right. This is all about the three properties we have studied here: atomic size, electronegativity, and metallic character.